Yo, what is up, my prankster gangsters? Today, welcome back to Mr. Dolphin Show. Today, I'm Chef Dolphin. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. We're going to make a pizza Lunchable. Looks yummy, isn't it? We got the pizza Lunchable ready. Now first, we started to make these pizzas. We put the sauce here. Okay. Oops. Alright. Now we got it over here. And also we cook it over here. And also I got a spoon so I can cover it with this sauce with the pizza dough. And then a little cheese here. And also we put some cheese here. And finally the cheese right over here. And also we put these on here. And I might have to put 3 on pieces. Yeah. And also I'll let it cook for, I'm gonna put it in the oven in a minute. Now we put the pizzas in the oven here and also set it to 2 minutes. We only have to wait until it does cooking before you wait. So while we're waiting, we'll take a break from here. We'll be right back for this commercial break. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Oh, what a good pizza. I know it's a little soggy because, ow! I got an idea. Well, we always do it on the cutting board. There, perfect. That's perfect. And also we do another one over here. And also we do another one over here. Okay. It smells good, right, everyone? No, you know, homies. The cooked pizza, this is only you have to do. It tastes really good here. Pretty good. Yeah, that's yummy. So guys, thank you for watching in Cooking with Chef Dolphin. I hope you make this recipe. You just need 1 Lunchable, 1 cutting board, and 1 cutting pizza cutter. If you don't have a cutter, just use a knife. Anyway, kids, remember, have a grown-up to help you cook with them. And I hope you guys see you next time. New video like next week, like Friday. Bye!